Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the course Introduction to Sociology. My name is Kamrez Khan, a visiting lecturer in the Department of Social Work and Sociology. Dear student, in our today's lecture, we will discuss about culture and the various types of culture, which includes the material culture, the non-material culture, the ideal culture and the real culture. Let's start from culture. That what is culture? In simple words, culture can be referred to the holistic way of life. It means that it refers to the entire way of life of people that are living in a particular area. It may include how they believe, what are their norms, what are their values, how they celebrate their death ceremonies, how they celebrate their birth ceremonies, how they eat, how they dress. These all things may include in the culture. So, therefore, culture refers to the holistic way of life of people that are living in a particular area. Culture is a complex whole. It means that culture does not refer to a particular aspect of way of life of people, while it is a complex whole. According to Edward Teller, a British anthropologist, he defined culture as culture is a complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, art, morals, laws, customs, and any other capabilities and habits acquired by man as a member of society. It means that while living within the society, whatever the things that people adopt to facilitate their life, to learn about the various things, the belief, the norms, the values, these all are included in a culture. Similarly, John J. Mashonis defined culture as culture is the values, beliefs, behavior and material objects that together form people way of life. It means that culture may includes the values, which refers to the standard which distinguish between good and bad. It may include the belief, which refers to the personal statement of an individual which he or she holds to be true always. Similarly, it includes his/her behavior, and also the material object, which refers to those things which are tangible, which can be touched, which can be seen. For example, it may include your mobile phone, your laptop, your home, and so many other things may be the part of a culture. And finally, according to Houghton and Hunt, he defined culture as anything which is socially learnt and shared by the member of society is called culture. So, this is very simple definition that all those things which people socially learned and shared with other. These all included in culture. Hope you might understood about the term culture. That what is culture? Simply it refers to the entire way of life that people have within a society. Now let's move towards the various types of culture. Let's start from material culture. It refers to the physical objects, resources that people use to define their culture. In material culture includes all those things which has physical existence, which are tangible, which we can touch. For example, as I have mentioned before, that your mobile phone, your laptop, car, buildings, roads, churches, mosques, these are all included in the material culture. Now let's move towards non-material culture. It refers to the non-physical aspect of culture. It refers to those things in non-material culture includes the belief system, the values, the norms, the rules, the regulation, the language, the organization, and the institutions about which people believe are included in the non-material culture. The non-material culture consists mostly of religious set of ideas and beliefs about God, about worship, about morals and ethics, etc. These all are included in the non-material culture. Now let's talk about ideal culture. It includes those norms and values of a culture for which we are supposed to do. For example, being a Muslim, we are supposed to offer prayer 5 times in a day. Being a Muslim, we are supposed to have fasting in the month of Ramadan, and being a Muslim, we have to perform a pilgrimage in entire life. Similarly, we should not tell a lie. We have to respect our elders. We have to respect our teachers. These all are what? These all are included in ideal culture. Now let's move towards the real culture. Real culture refers to the practices of those norms and values of a culture for which we were supposed to do. It refers to the practical implementation of the norms and values for which we were supposed to do. Real culture, for example, include being a Muslim. If we perform 5-time prayer, this is what? This is a real culture. Being a Muslim, if we do not tell a lie, then it's included in real culture. Being a Muslim, if we respect our teachers, if we respect our elders, this is what? These all are included in the real culture. This was all about our today's presentation. I hope you might understood about the terms culture and the various types of culture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the characteristic of culture. And that was all about our today's lecture. Thank you very much.